Welcome to Southern Machinery. Today we'll learn Lesson 6. Pickup Position Setting. Click Pick Up Teach. The address corresponds to the actual location on the machine. Select part according to corresponding address. Click the button below to select the nozzle. The nozzle name is set from Lesson 2. Click the part to see the corresponding nozzle Lesson 3 setting. Corresponding nozzle is shown here. Click the button to configure other nozzle. From left to right, choose and turn. Choose the part, click Pick Up Teach. Change the pickup position. Click Move to Pickup Position and press the Start button. Nozzle will move to pickup position. Click the direction button or use the handle to control the machine. Pickup position is adjusted according to the actual situation. When adjusting, it is necessary to determine that the feeding position and pickup position is corresponding. Can use program or operation handle to adjust suction position. When adjusting the nozzle and suction position should be a lignal. X, Y, and ZR data can determine the exact position. When X data changes, the nozzle moves laterally. When Y data changes, the nozzle moves lengthwise. When Z data changes, the nozzle moves up and down. When R data changes, the nozzle rotates at angle. When using the handle, press and hold the green button on the side of the handle. The left knob can be selected to adjust X, Y, Z, R data. The right knob is for speed adjustment. After selecting the corresponding X, Y, Z, R data, use the lower knob to change the specific position. Edit completely, click X, Y data and ZR data, then Teach data. Click Pickup Test to test pickup position right. Pickup position teach completely. The next step is part teach.